Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a major announcement to share with you. OpenAI has just launched the latest addition to the ChatGPT family, CHAT GPT Plus. CHAT GPT Plus is the next level of conversation AI. It can chat with you, answer follow-up questions, and even challenge incorrect assumptions. And the best part is OpenAI is offering a pilot subscription plan for just $20 a month. As a subscriber, you will receive a number of benefits, including a general access to ChatGPT even during peak times. So no more ChatGPT at capacity right now error for you. Faster response time. ChatGPT Plus will be available for United States users only for now. But to get access, you need to fill this waitlist form from which they will invite, which I will show you. So to access waitlist form, go to OpenAI Twitter page, and at the bottom of this announcement of GPT Plus, you have this form. Click on this link, which will take you to this waitlist form, which you can fill and submit. Another form is available at the blog page of ChatGPT Plus. You can go at the bottom, and in our plans for the future section, you have this another link which you can click and you can access the form.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.